Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EA&Weather here, with an update to the Day 1 Outlook. First off, the marginal down here, the slight risk down here was downgraded to a marginal as the severe weather threat seems to be dwindling in those areas. But there's still a marginal across northern Florida and extreme southeastern corner of Georgia. And largely the marginal remains the same in parts of the mid-Atlantic and southeast, but the western part of the marginal was shaved off, but still remains a marginal this afternoon across eastern South Carolina, eastern North Carolina, parts of eastern Virginia, south central and east central Maryland, northern Delaware, far southeastern Pennsylvania, and South Jersey. The Storm Prediction Center has added a slight risk for this afternoon in the early evening for parts of eastern North Carolina, southeastern Virginia, southeastern Maryland, the southern half of Delaware, and the extreme south central part of New Jersey. Going to the tornado threat, there's still a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today covering north central Florida and extreme southeastern corner of Georgia. And still remains a 2% chance of an isolated tornado this afternoon in the early evening across eastern North Carolina, southeastern Virginia, southeastern Maryland, most of Delaware, and far southern New Jersey. And going to the wind threat for this afternoon and early evening, 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or higher today. That covers northern Florida and far southeastern Georgia, and the 5% wind risk area also covers eastern South Carolina, eastern North Carolina, parts of eastern Virginia, south central and northeastern Maryland, northern Delaware, far southeast Pennsylvania, and far southeastern Pennsylvania and South Jersey. And there is now a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today, covering eastern North Carolina, southeastern Virginia, southeastern Maryland, the southern half of Delaware, and far south Jersey, the far south central tip of New Jersey. And there still is no hail threat today. So the summary, scattered damaging winds and a brief tornado are possible from eastern North Carolina into parts of the Mid-Atlantic region through the afternoon. So that's the update I wanted to give. So stay safe today, and there is a marginal on Tuesday in the southern U.S., but I will not have a video on Tuesday because I have to leave at 6:30 a.m. for school on Tuesday, and I will not have time to do a video. So my next video will be when the next marginal risk is. So I don't know when that will be, but stay safe in the affected areas today, and I will see you when I see you. Take care.